the late, most high, most mighty, and most excellent. The late, most high, most mighty, and most excellent monarch, Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and of her other realms and territories, Queen, Head of the Commonwealth, Defender of the Faith, and Sovereign of the most noble Order of the Garter. Let us humbly beseech Almighty God to bless with long life, health and honour and all worldly happiness the most high, most mighty and most excellent monarch, our sovereign Lord, Charles III, now, by the grace of God, of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and of his other realms and territories, King, Head of the Commonwealth, Defender of the Faith, and Sovereign of the most noble Order of the Garter.
Ole, mithen kattena minron dimman le inron soy angin Lalnu Queen Elizabeth II ka biak inatang kan aruang atlatha engtinge ni tazel ti zo na inron zota hetiang hian royal family ten anron puang ta ani 1952 kan King George the VI ka aborala te chuan Prince Philip's aloboral ve khan athan lung a hian engma zia lavin anda a lalnu athi ve ma chuan ti in an ngak ta ani bera te chuan sangka zakwa samruk le pakwa khan special memorial ti in an siama King George the VI Queen Father khan kha te chuan sang ni le pani khan Queen Mother kha alo boral ve ta a te chuan an nu pa King George the VI le Queen Mother Elizabeth kha an ming thlan lunga khan je inom ta a nima sela Princess Margaret a unau nu ero khachu avap banga anda a thlan lungpo chu banga anda antung nge ani tuna kan hmuang hian Queen Elizabeth II alo boral taka chuan Prince Philip abula anu le pa bula tiang chuan an pali in mun khata an thlan lunga po an ming pali an chuan tir ta a an bul maya thlan lung banga ding so kan muang khan hi Princess Margaret ani a te chuan Prince Philip thlan le Lalnu thlan King George the 6 Lalnu nu khang kha mun khata an ming pali thlan lunga an chuan tir ta a Lalnu aboral mai chuan King George the 6 le Lalnu nu Elizabeth an ming chau kha da ani a tuna chuan Lalnu alo boral taka an pali ming an da a he muna hian an pali in an ruang an da ta ni ti in an soya an chhungkua in mun khata an da ta a room khata thila dikang chu awa po bang an da wangin Princess Margaret kha tuna chuan hei a thlan lung kan hmu a ming te po khu lang vek to a lim takin anin hmu to ani ti kha ngai thua na an nei tira an fa te po an loma an tu te po an loma ni ti kha report kan dong ta ani aro pui hle mai engpo ni sela khami Queen Elizabeth II aruang biak in a thla na bagpipe music moi tak mai inaron nei lai kan Lalnu ui hi an bau nge ni kha ole tun tumatan chuan khang zong zong kha kan ron da thei chun alo ni le ta a Lalnu chungchanga hun top na bernia ngai la kan video te kan channel te min lo hlu sak tu te zong zong lalpan malsom vek choro se next video kan hule don nia